Hey there, YouTube. So my workshop restoration and update is coming along nicely. I've got some drywall up and I was looking to get some lumber storage. So these are some that I had on my radar for a while. These come from Amazon, these orange lumber racks. Amazon has a ton of different ones of these. I think they probably all come from a similar manufacturer. They all come by many different names. But I saw a Black Friday sale, so I got these. I think each set were like $22 or something like that. So I got 3 sets of them for under 70 bucks, thinking that would be a good solution for me. But then I got them and actually it turns out the machining on these isn't very good and they're not actually level. So if we take a close-up look, as you can see, they're not actually level with one another. So if I'm going to put those 3 across, my boards are going to naturally try to sag. So that was kind of an issue for me. I thought maybe, you know, for this one here, I can do some filing on the back here to get them to even out, but I thought probably not worth my time. What are some other solutions I can look for? I did see that online a lot of people are just making their own out of plywood or out of some hardwood pegs, even some metal pegs, but for me I was thinking I don't necessarily need to do that. Is there a quicker solution that I can have? And also with the price of lumber, is it really even cost effective to buy a bunch of lumber to make my own when I can buy a solution? So the best thing that I found out there currently is actually just at big box stores. They sell Rubbermaid track shelving, which is more for bookshelves and things like that. And that seems to work really well. So I've got that set up here. As you can see, I've got a nice track system here. And I actually like the shorter ones, like the 9 inches. And the reason behind that is that I don't like them to stack deep, so I like to see what lumber I have and make it easy to get down. So these tracks, I think for all of this, it was just a little over $100, so a little more expensive than the Black Friday sale, but even the orange ones, if I had paid full price, would have been close to $100 anyway. So this track system is really nice, and another great thing about this is the adjustability, because I'm always moving things around in the shop, so I never know what lumber I'll have or where I want to put things, so the adjustability is really nice. And then also the weight rating on these is great too. These are rated for, I think, 375 pounds for a pair for each one of the shelves, and then also for the track itself, I think it's 500 pounds. So I won't have much more than that, or I shouldn't even have that much on here. And then also the machining is pretty good, so that I was able to track level across. Even when I have 4 different tracks, I get that perfectly level all the way across, so I can keep my lumber nice and straight so it doesn't have a tendency to warp out of that flatness. So this is a really nice system for me. I'd be really curious to hear what others are using in their system other than the homemade stuff, or if there's other brands out there that have been useful. So leave some comments in the comments section. Thanks.